It's me, yo boy Space Croissant, back with another fabuloso video. I hope you're having a magical day because you deserve it. Thanks for being an awesome person.
Thank you, Space Croissant.
I hope the video makes you laugh.
Okay.
What happened to us?
I'm drowning now. I'm in water.
No! It's only been Yo, Icarus. It's only been how long since my last stream? It's Wednesday, so like Sunday, Monday. It's been like 3 days since my last stream, and I've missed both of these guys laughing already. Especially Jules just chatting in the background. Hello, lazy brothers. Make sure you follow.
What happened to us?
I'm drowning now. I'm in water.
I'm drowning.
No! What's killing me?
George! Get out of the way,
Oh my god. You're gonna kill me. Stop attacking me.
Dude!
I love it. Did instant serotonin, yeah. Did George like also get his laugh from Dream? Because Dream laughs and does the thing. And I saw George does that as well. I don't know if he got infected by the laugh.
God.
You know what I'm talking about, right? I keep
Hey,
saying
there's nothing
Flint drop.
happening.
Flint keeps dropping.
It sounds quite different there.
God, look at this.
I made it out.
I have like a million Flint.
How do I get? How did you get? I keep going to this block to this block. How do I get down?
We're gonna have our little test dummy go in just so we know if there's anything that's there.
Oh, don't jump in! Don't jump in! Don't jump in!
Really?
You say Dream's laugh has changed. He doesn't do that anymore. What?
Wait, what?
Really?
George!
Wait,
Why'd you
wow.
go again?
I didn't even
George.
go in. I was just shifting over the edge.
George, we were supposed to
Wait.
let.
I was just shifting over the
I
edge.
saw he just did the same thing, laughed and went, oh yeah, the collapsed lung. Yeah, that's sad actually. That's really sad. That is sad, but also I miss this laugh as well. I miss it. I wasn't even there.
George, we were supposed to let him test, and you weren't supposed to go.
I just shifted over the edge and it teleported me through.
How did I walk in lava? Dude! I'm just. Oh, let me. Where is it? Okay, I got it. Oh my god.
There's a chest here.
We need
Ooh,
to
a
block
gold
off
sword, some iron.
The... No!
No.
Out the window!
Dude, are you joking?
Oh, there's some more stuff. I gotta get. Okay, I got it.
What?
Dude, no! I'm not even like doing that on purpose. This is not fun. I don't want to do
The
this.
wheeze was so intense, man. It was so intense. Damn, rest in peace, wheeze.
Oh, dude, I swear to God, at least.
This is impossible!
Yeah, some of it did.
Dude, oh my god.
It was just flying across.
Wait, what?
What's going on in the
I can't get
server?
out.
Let's go. Let's leave him.
I
Ow, why are you
can't.
beating me? Oh my gosh, Scooter!
Oh my God, where'd you fall?
Beating me. Oh my gosh, Scooter!
Why was that explosion so loud? I haven't encountered a creeper yet in my Minecraft run.
Oh my God,
Oh,
where'd you
X-rays
fall?
on, okay.
Oh, you fell in
It
water?
blasted me into water. What is going on?
I'm getting this
I
enderman.
killed it and guess what? I did?
Launched,
Do it again.
yeeted.
My hole's there.
My hole's there. Sorry,
I went
what?
too hard.
Wait,
Sorry,
there's
what? My hole's there.
my hole. Wait, where is it?
Oh my god, I'm about to die.
Oh no! Stop! Move!
I'm gonna
Move!
die, I'm gonna die.
Wait, is this it?
It's mad to think like how much has happened since these videos. Like George had literally moved in, you know, all's well. It was good in the hood, you know. Like it's just cool. It's nice. It's cool looking back and knowing everything worked out alright in the end, you know.
If you feet trap, no! Dude!
This is what happens when you fall down my trap. I mean, my hole.
You're
My
trapped.
trap. Hey,
What's
yeah.
What's wrong with you?
My trap.
I built a bit too high out of the
You're
hole.
trapped.
I see your house. I see your house.
Why did you fall down my trap? This is
Man,
a team
Green
game,
is
you know
dying,
that, right?
you guys.
Meg.
This
What?
is a team game, you know that, right?
I don't know why I even said that. I don't know. Alright, come on.
God,
the
Dream
house?
is on the verge of tears.
My Carla says my trap and then lip bite emoji. What the flip? My trap? Hey yo.
Wait, where am I?
I can't stop.
There's like a.
Oh my god.
It's just so stupid.
I'm just tiring of. I can't be bothered anymore. Where's the house?
I'm already
Oh
home.
my
I don't
god.
I didn't.
Wait, I didn't expect like half the video to just be this. Wait, is all in this? Oh my lord, half of it is this video.
I live with you guys.
I see another Enderman as well. I think we should turn.
What the heck, man?
Wait, where am I?
Oh my god. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna pee myself.
What?
Gonna pee myself.
I think I'm just in a cave or something.
You guys hear this?
I was trying to calm down and then George like falls down a ravine or something. Guys, please stop. Pause. Just pause.
This video
Please.
seems so fun. Is it just like everything's X-ray besides the mobs and like the coal and stuff? Is that it? And then, so they don't know if they're gonna fall down something.
Just give me a minute. I need to stop laughing. I'm having a breakdown.
Okay, I got 3 eyes Ender. Ready?
Okay.
We'll go outside and chunk
That's
it.
chicken.
Chunk it?
Chunk it. What does that even mean?
Okay, I got 3 eyes Ender. Ready? We'll go outside and chunk it.
Chunk. Chunk
You mean
it.
Chuck?
What?
Oh my god.
What's in my? Why did you place netherrack
Dream.
in?
What is
Don't know why that's funny.
You just got pranked. Alright, guys, legitimately, stop for a minute. Like, I literally have to chill for a minute. Like, just, my trap.
My trap. He's throwing it back again. Forget about it for 2
why'd you
seconds.
fall? That's what you get for falling into my trap. I don't know what the hell's wrong.
Were these original videos like actually subtitled like this, or has someone added it on afterwards, like edited? I can't tell. Was it from the original? He's so focused on the trap. It's been added since. Okay, yeah. I was gonna say because that's the new meta, isn't it? If they were doing captions back then they're ahead of the game. He's edited since. Okay, cool. Nice one.
With you, George.
So I'm drinking water. Stop.
He's drinking water.
Oh my.
Dream, look at me. Look. Ready? Ready?
What? He's just making laugh at anything now.
No!
No!
Please, James. Dude, I don't. Alright, guys. That's gonna be it for Sapnap today. Dream's gonna continue.
This is I.
Dream's gonna continue.
This is I.
Sounds like a dying like wasp. Sounds like a dying rat. Or wasp. Why did I say wasp? What's that? Why is everything moving as well? It trippies.
George.
Wasp. He's just going mental.
Oh my god, my eyes.
He's just going mental.
I'm gonna drown. Wait, did someone build a... Wait, what? What happened? There's dirt above me. Don't. Stop!
This video is a
I'm
lot
gonna
of
drown!
fun.
I'm actually gonna drown!
I'm gonna drown. Oh no.
Oh!
I'm
No, he's
gonna
gonna
die.
help out.
Hurry, swim.
He's gonna undo his own.
Oh my god,
It's just him dying there.
Save me! He's building more! Oh, I'm dead.
Oh my god.
Sure, there it is. Here, have some saplings as
I
well.
love you, George.
They were joking with me because I told them before the video they never cooperate with each other. Okay.
Let me take this for later use. Hang on.
Why are you so slow, Snap Nap? You're
I'm right behind.
Snap
Call me
nap.
Snap Nap again. We're gonna have
Snap
issues.
map.
What did I just call him? I didn't mean to say that.
Snap maps.
Map.
Snap Map.
Hey, George, can I have like a berry, please?
Yeah, no problem. Here it
To be
is.
fair, when I first heard his name, the first thing I thought of was like Snapchat. So it's just Snap Maps.
Wait, slow down.
Slow down.
I'm literally sneaking and moving forward. He's like, slow down, slow down. It's like he's like a grandpa.
Wait, oh my gosh.
Dude, who stopped?
George.
George. All right,
Let's go.
all right, let's chill.
go.
Chill for a second.
George!
Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm on one heart.
2. Who just did that? What? What was that?
Almost just killed us all.
I'm trying to set it on fire.
George's like, let's go! He just killed us all.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh my
Just die in
god.
lava.
No, help me.
Talking about George saying no, no, and he's just got like 2 arrows in him, one right in his head.
Help me.
Bill!
No, I'm stuck out here.
Come on, George.
Oh, good time.
No, put that down.
Put it down. Oh my god, I'm stupid.
You almost sort of right up.
You're not respawning it.
George actually killed Dream. Bravo, bravo, bravo. He killed the wheezing rat. I'm not calling him a rat, I just said the wheeze earlier sounded like a dying rat. Congratulations, George.
Ever again.
Alright, you're not respawning.
You guys are such idiots.
George,
What?
stop. I let you live, and now you're showing no mercy.
You didn't let me live. I got away. This is me.
George!
Calm
Yes. So look, it's
Hey,
recording.
That reminds me of me. Reminds me of me when I'm on my one monitor and I'm trying to change things. Hey, it's me, it's me. Omega low dance, but fast. I don't have that one enabled, unfortunately.
Me.
George!
Yes.
Yeah.
So look, it's recording. See?
Okay.
Wait, I've got an idea. Should I do this?
You didn't let me live. I got away. This is me.
George!
Oh no, I can't do it.
Yes. So look, it's recording. See?
Okay. I just sent you $4,000.
No, no, you didn't.
I
Oh, is
just
this a
sent
video
you
he buys what he
5,000.
wants with his money?
Wait. Oh my god.
I want
My PayPal
$4,000.
is flexing out right now.
Alright.
It's like the most money that's ever been in my PayPal. Hey, look, this looks so sick.
does
Is
look
there-
sick.
What's
I want
this
one.
say?
I just fucking zoom. Wait. I can't, I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. You have to edit that
Oh,
out.
the
Edit that
cool's
out.
open, yeah.
What's
Do you need a
this?
pillow? Do you need a...
What is this? A quartz elephant? That's kind of cool to
Just
be
get
honest.
I
Healing
like
crystal.
that.
It's gonna heal me.
Ooh, it's gonna heal you.
1.5
The real
inches.
course, that seems quite cheap, no?
1.5 inches.
Hey, yo.
Okay.
What? Foolish trap.
Oh, that could be me. Wig, what? $77?
No,
Oh my
no, that's
God.
not it. That's not it. That comes
It's
with
made out of real diamonds, honestly.
A pig just died to the snow.
Where's the pig? I kind of want his meat.
I don't know. Nothing.
Yeah, from the Christmas tree.
Under the tree. Dun, dun,
Let's
dun,
go.
Under
Let's
the
get
tree.
it.
Dun, dun.
Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go?
Yes.
So yeah. See when it says subscribe there, it's actually telling you to follow JamieIsLazy on Twitch. So you can follow now if you'd like. Anyway, carry on.
George.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Merry Christmas to you, even
Okay.
though it's the 4th
So
of December.
true.
Alright, stop
What?
breaking the. I haven't run the command. Don't break
Hello,
it.
dog.
Alright, run the
Oh.
command. Why are you being such a stickler?
Alright,
It's
I'm
like,
running.
I can
Alright,
Just
bring
go.
some wood.
2, 1, go.
Why got so many furnaces?
Watch the sunset,
going?
George. Watch the sunset with me. Come here. Watch the sunset with me.
Okay.
Oh,
Alright.
that's nice.
Don't do that. All right. That's not what you said.
That's exactly what I said. Okay, Dream,
Quickly,
seriously.
George, come here.
True.
Seriously, quickly.
Lazy
Hurry.
brothers.
Yeah. Don't
Come here,
kill
come
anything.
here.
Don't break anything. Okay, thank you. I'll take those.
These are for
Oh,
you.
that's a
Alright,
lot
give
of
me-
roses. What?
Ooh, take these flowers. Don't delete them. Seriously.
Okay, I
it's
won't.
A sign of remediation.
Why's he got 64 of everything?
Okay, I didn't delete them.
Well, flip.
No, please! I threw the pig. Through the pig survived.
You're so bad! What? There's stuff here for you, hurry.
So bad
I'm
in
coming.
Mega LOL.
Okay, you don't need to tell me that.
Okay, yeah, this area is kind of safe.
Oh my gosh, I'm trying to come.
Okay,
Surely that's got to be on purpose.
okay.
Did you just die?
Oh my heart! How are you catching me? No, the skeleton!
Skeleton's teaming up against it.
Yeah!
I said, no.